Canny individuals will quite often mind less about the assessments of others. They, moreover, appreciate being separated from everyone else due to extraordinary sense of self-neglecting. Is significant for a solid cerebrum relinquishing recollections, upholds a sound perspective, and prevalent review. The best retribution is to continue on, move past it, and keep on succeeding. The most obviously awful sort of forlornness is the depression you feel when you are with individuals. An investigation discovered that uninformed individuals are bound to accept their splendid, while savvy individuals misjudge their capacities. Female understudies spend essentially more time with their companions and less time alone than male understudies do. Now and again, you simply have to separate yourself from individuals, assuming that they care. They'll take note in the event that they don't. You know where you stand with them. A seed develops with no sound, except for a tree falls with colossal commotion. Annihilation has commotion, yet creation is calm. This is the force of quiet. Develop quietly. Tibetan maxim. The key to living great and longer is eat half, walk twofold, giggle triple, and love without measure. Try not to hold on until tomorrow to improve today. Is the previous tomorrow is presently. Individuals who comprehend mockery are frequently great at guessing individuals' thoughts. This world isn't so much for defeatists. Look not really for progress or disappointment. You reserve the privilege to work, however. Don't turn out to be so degenerate as to search for results unfamiliar. Nodding off on your stomach makes you altogether bound to have sensual dreams. The mind deals with dismissal like physical torment. As per researchers, an incredible relationship is around two things. First, valuing the similitudes, and second, regarding the distinctions. 68 individuals experience the ill effects of apparition vibration disorder. The inclination that one's telephone is vibrating when it's not unfamiliar doesn't mean I am separated from everyone else. It implies I'm sufficiently able to deal with things without anyone else. Utilize your voice for benevolence, your ears for sympathy, your hands for a noble cause, your brain for truth, and your heart for love. On the off chance that a young lady likes you, you will constantly play with her hair while conversing with you. Clever individuals will more often than not care less about the assessments of others. They too appreciate being distant from everyone else. In view of extraordinary sense of self, a tough lady might stay quiet when individuals talk despite her good faith, yet that doesn't mean she doesn't notice it. Just means she decides not to squander her energy on absurdity. She has more significant activities. There is not a great explanation to think back when you have such a huge amount to